Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing Soundcore Q20i hybrid active noise cancelling headphones. There are hybrid active noise cancelling headphones with 2 internal and 2 external mics work in tandem to detect external noise and effectively reduce up to 90% of it, such as planes and car engines. The noise-canceling foldable headphones have oversized 40mm dynamic drivers that produce detailed sound and thumping beats with bass-up technology. They are compatible with high-res certified audio via the aux cable. For more detail, they have a 40-hour-long battery life and fast charging, with 40 hours of battery life with ANC on and 60 hours in normal mode. You can commute in peace without thinking about recharging. You may fast charge for 5 minutes to get an extra 4 hours of playtime. They have dual connections, so you can connect to 2 devices simultaneously with Bluetooth 5.0 and instantly switch between them. Whether you're working on your laptop or need to take a phone call, audio will automatically play from the device you need to hear from. The app for EQ customization is rich with lots of different ways to enjoy your music or podcast. Download the Soundcore app to tailor your sound using the customizable EQ with 22 presets, or adjust it yourself. You can also switch between 3 modes: ANC, normal, and transparency, or you can relax with white noise. They have outstanding sound quality for the price, and I genuinely mean outstanding. They are my second Soundcore headphones, after I recently got the Q20i buds being the other purchased, and also great, as they do not disappoint. They have great battery life and are reasonably fast to fully recharge. They have good build quality. Bluetooth has never dropped off once, and it is a very long range. They fold so they are portable, but you do not come with a storage case. You can download the Soundcore app to adjust sound and noise cancelling modes. Overall, they work fine for telephone calls. I am very impressed by the quality of sound versus the price I paid, way better than my Beat Solo 3. I hope you enjoy this video. Have a great day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.